Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest digital tips to make your online life easier. Today, we're diving into how to use a virtual Visa card on PayPal in 2025. With the rise of contactless payments, virtual cards are a secure way to shop online without sharing your real card details. Whether you're a frequent shopper or just getting started, this guide will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, what is a virtual Visa card? It's a digital version of a Visa card that you can get from various providers like banks or fintech apps. In 2025, these cards are even more advanced with enhanced security features like biometric authentication. To get started, make sure you have a virtual Visa card ready. Sign up with a trusted provider and fund your card with your preferred payment method. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Head to the PayPal website or app and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account, it's quick to create one, just follow the prompts. Step 2. Navigate to your wallet section. Once logged in, click on Wallet or Settings to find the option to add a new payment method. Look for Add a card or Link a bank card. Step 3. Enter your virtual Visa card details. You'll need the card number, expiration date, CVV, and the name on the card. Double-check everything for accuracy to avoid any verification issues. Step 4. Verify the card. PayPal might send a small authorization hold or ask for a code sent to your email or phone. Complete this step promptly to activate the card. Step 5. Make your first purchase. Now that your virtual Visa is linked, you can use it for transactions. Select it as your payment option when checking out, and you're good to go. Remember, always monitor your account for security. One quick tip. In 2025, ensure your virtual Visa supports PayPal's latest encryption standards to prevent any hiccups. If you run into errors, like a declined transaction, check if your card is sufficiently funded or contact your provider. There you have it. That's how to seamlessly use a virtual Visa card on PayPal in 2025. It's a game changer for secure online shopping. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.